What's up guys, welcome back to our channel, welcome to another video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by for another update on this Kemtek development here in Portmore. As you can hear, the street is very busy, but not only the street is busy, but there is a lot of work going on with this development. Alright, so OK State is coming on very nicely, and I know a lot of you guys have been asking for another update, but we try not to make the updates too close, as we want there to be something new to show you every time that we come and visit. Alright, so even right here guys behind me, you can see that the driveway, the bridge that they were constructing in the initial stage is pretty much finished. Alright, so it's just to have that completed with the asphalt, and you have your way, you have your front entrance to drive into your new house. And can I say townhouse? Did I just say townhouse? Yes guys, so hope you enjoy this drone shot. Remember, if you're new, to subscribe to the channel. Remember to share to a friend. Remember guys to like the video. Remember to comment down below. And yes, I did say townhouse. So guys, that is also being constructed at this time. So we're going to fly the drone over this development right now and show you guys exactly what is happening over this side of the world. So guess what? I'll catch you on the other side of this drone shot. Let's go.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew.
Did I say correct? Did I give you guys the townhouse that you were looking for? Did you guys see the 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom house that you want? Or did you see a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom? The development is coming on pretty nicely, guys. There's still no word from the developer. I'll try my best to see if I can get some additional information for you in the next update that we'll give you for this development in terms of price and deadline and stuff like that. But you guys should have been putting your deposit one side if you want an idea of what the pricing can be like in terms of the starting price with the escalation and the closing costs. You guys can check out what was happening for Colbert Manor in Old Harbour. It's pretty much going to be the same thing. Not in terms of the price point, but in terms of the starting price with escalation and then with your closing costs. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. As you can see, things are shaping up pretty well on this side of the world. Hope you enjoy this. Thank you so much for supporting us. Remember, we still need to get to 5,000 subscribers, guys. Remember, we are working to get to 5. If they can bring us to 10 by the end of the week, that would be spectacular. At least we'll be able to move more freely around to give you guys more updates and more developments. So guys, do the right thing. Watch 2 of the ads. If you can't watch all of them, watch 1, watch 2, watch all. But we'll see you guys in another video. And we give you another update on this development with some more information. So take care, guys, and thank you so much for making it Chris Hams for your updates on your properties in and around Portmore. We still have a lot more to go, so you don't want to miss out on that. So see you guys in another video. And remember to tell your friend, to tell a friend, to tell a family, to tell a friend, and to tell everybody that you know. So Chris Hams that show the update them and they don't want to miss it. Catch you guys in another update. Watch some of our family videos them too, please. Thank you for the support, guys. So we'll see you in another one. Peace out. Going home.